The third step is to transform the training initiatives from the previous step into specific actionable items or activities for the training and development staff. These activities are unique to the organization and might include examples that are similar to the ones shown here. A company might implement some kind of new technology to deliver instruction or to increase the efficiency of the training and development process. It may identify a specific group of employees and create customized training for them. It might choose to streamline the development or evaluation process to reduce costs and increase the return it gets on its investment. It might also ramp up the development of new programs or expand existing curricula for everyone. As a training and development specialist, you will work with other stakeholders to identify the activities that are best for your organization.